There is a dark side to Sydney's property boom, where many have taken advantage of record low interest rates to get into the market. But some will find themselves struggling when rates go back up, as experts map the Sydney postcodes most likely to default on a mortgage.
Sydney postcode 2768 in the northwest. New, popular and maybe increasingly hard to hold on to. It's high risk for mortgage defaults, a growing issue.
It is very concerning, and there are a lot of instances of people being concerned about their mortgage and how they're going to pay their mortgage.
Of the postcodes most likely to default in Sydney, 2768, it covers Stanhope Gardens, Glenwood and Parklee. Next on the list, 2765, Riverstone, followed by 2773, Glenbrook in Western Sydney, 2560 in Campbelltown and 2769, The Ponds, rounds out the top 5. Fringe suburbs with newer housing estates.
Those sorts of areas are the ones where there are some significantly higher risks, particularly if unemployment starts to move in the wrong direction.
Interest rates are at record lows, but unemployment is creeping up and more jobs are going casual, affecting loan repayments.
There's a very little time period between everything being okay and people being in real sort of hardship. And people say that can just be a couple of months.
Canberra has the nation's top 3 postcodes most at risk of defaults. With a stronger economy, Sydney households are generally faring better than elsewhere, but income growth is languishing. And what if interest rates went up?
If interest rates start to rise in 18 months to 2 years' time, or maybe even sooner, that's when we start seeing some very significant trends in and around Sydney.
Hitting particularly first home buyers in apartments. Chris Marr, 7.